This video will guide you through navigating the Binance trading terminal whilst highlighting its useful features. We are now on the Binance homepage. Binance have two trading terminals available to their users, the Classic terminal and the Advanced terminal. For beginners, we recommend using the Classic option. When the page first opens, it displays the trading data for the Bitcoin Tether trading pair. Underneath the Binance logo, there's a news bar. It displays Binance's latest news items. These include impending exchange listings, scheduled coin swaps, and any new savings or staking opportunities. Underneath the news bar, we see the trading pair, its current quote price, the 24-hour price change, the 24-hour high and low, and the 24-hour trading volume. The trading chart is in the middle of the trading terminal, providing a visual representation of the Bitcoin Tether pair's price action. On the left-hand side of the screen, we see a list of pending limit orders for the Bitcoin Tether pair that are waiting to be fulfilled. Pending sell limit orders are shown in red, and pending buy limit orders are shown in green. Only the pending limit orders that are closest to the trading pair's current price are shown on this list. In order to view a wider list of pending limit orders, you can look at the data in graph form. On the right side of the screen, there is the list of trading pairs that are listed and currently available to trade on Binance. The list is organized into Binance coin trading pairs, Bitcoin trading pairs, altcoin trading pairs, fiat trading pairs, and a further section called zones. This categorizes cryptocurrencies into types such as DeFi, proof of works, proof of stake, and NFTs. Next, we are going to look at how to create a favorites list, which will make it easier for you to monitor your chosen cryptocurrency investments. In the search bar, type in the name of your chosen cryptocurrency and find the currency pair that you wish to monitor. Click on the small star next to the currency pair in order to add it to your favorites list. Repeat this process for each of the cryptocurrencies that you wish to monitor. When you are done, you can click on the star located above the search box. This will bring up your list of favorites. There's a search box in which you can search for a cryptocurrency using its abbreviated name in order to see if it's available on Binance. We have used it to search for Cardano using its abbreviated name ADA and to selected the Cardano Tether trading pair. Underneath the trading pair, we see the name Cardano with a tiny yellow book beside it. Clicking on this will take you to a useful summary of the cryptocurrency that has been compiled by Binance. Going back to the Bitcoin Tether trading pairs screen, underneath the list of available trading pairs, there's a live list of the latest market orders, which have been placed by other buyers and sellers. And underneath this, there is a section which focuses on the latest market activities amongst all available trading pairs. This highlights new 24-hour high and low prices, price rallies, price drops, and any large buy or sell orders that are executed. Underneath the trading chart, we have the section that is used to set cryptocurrency buy orders and sell orders.